Welcome, Deronda here with Foods 101. Thanksgiving Day is right around the corner, and I'm giving you heads up on how to make this homemade pumpkin pecan pie. Simple and easy to make, yet so delicious. The ingredients you're going to need is a 1 9-inch graham cracker crust. I've made mine. I put the recipe below in the description box. But if you want to pick it up already made, you can find it in the baking section of your supermarket. 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. We're going to divide this. 2 3.4 ounces of instant vanilla pudding. Make sure you get the instant pudding. 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Make sure it's 100% pure pumpkin. 1/2 cup of chopped pecans plus 2 tablespoons. We're going to divide. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of caramel topping that you add to the top of your ice cream. And 1 cup of very cold chilled milk. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add that 1/4 cup of caramel right here into the bottom of our graham cracker crust. Just like this. And you're going to spread it out till you get this even layer of caramel on the bottom. This helps keep the graham cracker crust from getting soggy once we add our filling. And another thing you can do is just tilt it to the side and let your caramel run to the edges of your pie crust. We're going to reserve 2 tablespoons of our pecans over here in a small dish. Sprinkle the remaining pecans on the bottom of our pie crust. Just like that. Okay, got one right over here. And evenly distribute them. That looks perfect. Now we can set this off to the side. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to add both boxes of our instant pudding. Then goes both packages. Oh, and it smells so yummy. Add your cinnamon, the nutmeg, add your milk, and your pumpkin puree. We're going to whisk these ingredients around until they're well blended. Oh, that cinnamon and nutmeg and pumpkin smells so yummy. It's going to get lovely and thick on you, and that's exactly what we're needing. With our whipped cream, we're going to add about 1.5 cups. Okay, I'm just eyeballing it. I'm going to leave the rest to put on the top. If you want to buy another container of whipped cream to add more whipped cream on top, you be my guest. Fold this whipping cream into your pumpkin puree. Continue doing this until you see no more orange or white streaks. That looks perfect. You don't see any orange or white streaks. Time to add into our graham cracker crust. Spoon it, starting in the center and then working out to the edge so you can get this even layer of pumpkin filling here in your pie. So just work it to the edge. This is absolutely perfect. Add your remaining Cool Whip here on the top before you put it in the refrigerator. Make sure you go to the edge, or you don't really need to if you want people to see what your pie filling is all about. Cover your pie, and then we're going to seal it around the edges so no air can get into it. And now this is off to the refrigerator up to 1 hour or overnight. I've had my pie chilling in the refrigerator for 2 hours. At this point, you can go ahead and add those 2 tablespoons of caramel to the top with your 2 tablespoons of pecans. But I like to go ahead and slice mine first. I just go right through the center. Make sure that knife gets all the way to the end of your platter, like cleaning off the knife. Or, okay, you can lick it off too. And then I'll cut it into quarters. And you can either cut the quarters 3 ways or 2 ways. And I'm just going to make 1 slice down the quarter. Get in here with the pie server. Should come right out. Just like that. And looky there. You have this fabulous, delicious, no-bake pie. If you decide not to make the crust yourself, I like to drizzle that caramel right over the pie onto the plate. If your caramel's a little too thick, nuke it in the microwave 5-10 seconds at a time. But don't over nuke it. And then you can add your pecan. If you want to roast your pecans, you be my guest. Oh my goodness, look how fabulous that is. Let's see what it's going to taste like. Look at that graham cracker crust with that caramel and those pecans. Yum. Ooh, I can taste that nutmeg and cinnamon, the lightness of that pumpkin pie filling, the pecan, the caramel, the whipping cream. You are not going to be disappointed in this pumpkin pecan pie. It's delicious. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, you all. Stay safe, happy Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you lovely people later.